Take a ride in the 2025 Enclave. The Enclave offers 3 rows of seats, standard. Not only is it roomy and stylish, but Buick really did its homework on this vehicle. They did not cut any corners. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: alloy wheels, rear spoiler, power liftgate, brake assist, remote keyless entry, 4-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, traction control, rear window defroster, rear window wiper. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.